Today on Experimental Cook, we are making brown butter chocolate chip cookies with like some pecans, some toasted pecans throughout. I'm gonna do half the dough, straight up chocolate chip cookies, and the other half will have the pecans. I prefer some nuts in mine. Oh man, yeah. Okay. The texture, the crunch, I like that with my chocolate. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. So, got the bowl. And every year, either my members of my entire family, or like my siblings, and my mom, we have a cookie cook-off. And so these are the cookies that got me the victory last year. I mean, I almost always get the victory, no shade. But shade. So this is sort of, we're not getting together this year, so this is what goes down when we do, before we do, is I bring these bad boys out. What is this? Baking soda. So you got your flour, you got your baking soda, and I'm gonna grab, ignore that. I'm gonna grab a whisk, and we're just gonna get that all mixed together. Oh, man. Like, I know people go super hard and like crazy for holidays and like being together with people, but I'm cool. I'm good, you know. Don't mean I don't love nobody. It just means I'm okay. This damn bread hook playing games. All right, let's get you in and secure. Bung bung. This one is different. Oh, this ain't the right one. Ooh, that was gonna be bad. But wait, but they look alike. But they... Wait, hold on now. You the right one? Wait, how? Something is not quite like the other, but one is quite like the... I don't know. Me and my appliance obsession. You know, I throw away things that go with the right thing. I mean, yeah. And my philosophy is, well, I'll just buy another one. And it probably should be to take some time and figure things out. But that ain't how I roll. Okay, we got our sugars. I mean, this recipe is like mad easy. I mean, I always say recipe. I don't know if y'all notice what I'm looking for. My browned butter. I always say recipes, but like I never give y'all a recipe. And it's because, I mean, oh no, man. So, got our brown butter here. It's got kind of hard on me really fast. So, I'm actually just gonna do something like this to get it loosened up. And it's butter, so it'll melt relatively quickly. Let's just hope I don't lose. Please don't try this at home. We're just trying to get that butter loosened up a little bit from the bowl. And it is working. Ugh. You. Right on. All right. That's it. Got our 2 eggs as well. So, yes, this is butter that has been toasted on the stove. So what you do is you grab either salted, unsalted. I used 1 salted bar and 1 unsalted bar, so that's what works for me. So we're gonna go in. No, we're not. Shit! Who lets me bake? Who? I ruined this already. I do this, listen, I'm trying to tell y'all, I just always break the rules, bro. I can't help myself. Every single episode, I'm straight pivoting, bro. Hey, guess who didn't mix up the eggs and the butter with the sugar? Oh my God. Yeah, it was me, man. So now I gotta like hope it all come together.
Oh.
I'm hoping.
Okay.
All right, let's crap. Damn. I'm also not the baker in my family. Like I'm just not good. I'm just not good at it. Another egg. So listen, usually what you should do is you got your butter, you got your sugars, you're supposed to fluff them up and put the eggs and put the vanilla and everything, and before you put it in this. I'm stressed. I just gotta go with it, bro. Damn. Some vanilla. Don't ask me how much either. I don't want to talk about it. Now, come on. Come on. Alright, man. Sourdough. Lit. Okay. I'm gonna add in hella chocolate chips. I don't have an exact measurement, but I feel like hella is good. So I got some Guittard chocolate chips, Guittard milk chocolate chips. To me, Guittard is the best. The best. And then I just got some plain old semi-sweets. So it's kind of like a sort of play on flavors. You're gonna have one chocolate that's, really sweet. And then you're gonna have one that is more bitter. And then we're just gonna bring this together. Fold in your chocolates. Like so. Yeah. Hold on. Oh man. Using my hand. Really want to push them in. Get in there, man. So last year during a competition, the cookie cook-off, basically 2 or 3 of my cousins made brown butter chocolate chip cookies. We all had the same idea. you know, I just happen to take the victory. But shout out to my cousins for trying, you know. Gave it a good effort. Appreciate you. Thanks for showing up. Love you. Right? We are going to toast our pecans, but the first batch is going to be chocolate chip solamente. So let me look for ice cream scoop. And we ain't doing no wimpy scoops here, man. We doing some fat ass scoops because oh shit. This is colossal, bro. Oh well, we doing it. Snap. These bad boys. Oh snap. Damn. Let's hope they don't bake on top of each other, but like if they do, then that's just more deliciousness. Damn. Hold on, I'm gonna move them a little bit. I'm gonna just eat these because there are starving children all over. Oh damn, I shouldn't have said that. Alright. Going in with these. I got it on 350. I'm gonna just move it a smidge. Now, pecans. I actually couldn't remember if I got pecans or walnuts last year, but I decided to go with pecans anyway. What the hell? Bruh. Ain't nobody can steal these punk ass pecans, I promise. Anywho, pecans, man. I ain't mad at that. Do I want to toast it? I think I do. Alright, let's toast them. So, get some of these. Yep. Release some of those oils. And because they, you know, nuts are generally mad oily, so you want to watch them because they will burn on you real quick. So, keeping the temp kind of low will help with that. Also, just shake them up occasionally. Make sure everyone's getting some of the heat. And this was it. This is hella simple stuff, man. And they just come out fire. I mean, like I said before, there are only a couple of desserts that I really crave. And the first one is banana pudding. The other one is chocolate chip cookies. And to be honest, cookies are my preferred dessert. I just think they're so magical. I'm gonna call those, and then I'm just gonna add them a mix. Give them a good jostle. And those should bake up really nicely. Middle of the cook. Oh shit. They puffing up right. So we're gonna let those finish. I'm gonna take it down just a tad. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Put them in for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna let them rest a little bit before we take them off the, what do you call this, pan? So that when we take them off, they won't disintegrate into nothing. Crack the window, let them cool off a bit. All right, so these are our final products. All right, now I could have been rude and put the prettiest plump ones on top, but these are our pecans, and these are our regular chocolate chips. I mean, thick, chewy, beautiful cookie. And I like a thick cookie, all right? And then we have our toasted pecan. And they just came out like 10 minutes ago, so they're still warm and gooey. Yes, sir. Let me see. Oh man, that pecan set it off. Yes. So these are the cookies that got me the victory. That made me the victor. Brown butter, chocolate chip cookies. And you can literally put different types of nuts in it. You can put like mini M&Ms. You can put like Reese's, like those miniature Reese's. You can do some peanut butter or peanut butter chips, white chocolate chips. Literally the sky's the limit with these bad boys. So yeah, I think we're gonna enjoy some of these tonight. And I really appreciate you guys being here, watching, seeing me bake one of my favorite desserts, seeing me fuck it up and then bring it back. I really appreciate it. All right. The experimental cook. We out, baby.